Welcome back to the House Extras, and today we're reviewing a special edition limited release ball, the BVL Bowlers to Veterans Lank Ball. It's a Johnny Petraglia signature series, very, very limited release, and they sell them to try and raise money for the BVL. I was lucky enough to get two of them. One I drilled, and one we're running a super, super cool ball raffle for to try and help them raise a little more money. One for one. I'm gonna do a little bit of a 10-shot challenge here. I'm challenging myself 10 shots. I'd like to strike on 5 or more, and I just started with my first one. No cuts, no edits. Hopefully just 10 strikes. That's way left. I have to throw better shots if I want to strike. Behind me is a 44-foot, very challenging pattern, and I would say that ball it reminds me of an old jab in terms of the colors. I believe it has like the Brunswick Endeavor core with an updated cover stock on it. So definitely a new shape that I haven't bowled with before, but 1 for 2, and one of my shots was pretty bad. That's cash. Not the easiest pattern behind me. I thought that one was pretty good. I caught it more and I missed a little further in. Thought it would hold and it really didn't, so I gotta move. 1 for 3. This is probably the hardest ball review I've ever done. I'm bowling on something 44 feet with a ball that's meant for the burn. We're in game 2, score-wise, so. Two for 4. 2 for 4. A little break in the action during this BVL ball video to let you guys know that we have another BVL bowling ball that's actually signed by every single one of the players at this year's 2025 TOC. We'll be doing a little bit of a giveaway and a little bit differently. You're gonna have to send an email of a screenshot of you donating money. It doesn't matter if it's $1 or $100 to packy.hanrahan@twohandedbowling.com. The link will be down below. All you gotta do is copy and paste your donation to the BVL and make sure you're a subscriber of this channel and following along the BVL channels. So that's on Facebook, Instagram, whatever they got, make sure you give it a follow. Send me a screenshot of your donation and you'll be automatically eligible to win this BVL bowling ball, as well as we'll email you back a 50% off coupon for our USA t-shirt. That is a 50% off coupon for our USA t-shirt that we have pictured right up here. Now, before I talk too much, let's get right back into the action. Money. Yeah, I was definitely just playing a little too straight. But the ball raffle that we're doing, I have another BVL ball. We're 3 for 5. The ball raffle that we're doing, I have another BVL ball that I actually got signed by every single bowler who bowled the TOC this year in 2025. So you name it, if they were at the TOC, their name is on the ball in white, silver, gold Sharpie. I got them all, from Marshall Kent to Belmo, all the way down to some of the older players like Mika Koivuniemi, who was there, Chris Barnes. If they bowled the TOC, they're on the ball, and we're gonna be raffling it off to try and raise as much money as we can for BVL. 3 for 5. That means I need to go 3 for my next 5, and we'll be above that 5 strike number that I would like to be at, or more than 60%. Do it. Not my best effort there, but hey, a strike's a strike. I can't give it back even if I wanted to. 4 for 6. I threw that one a little too slow, I'll say. I'm gonna move to right. Five for 7, I'm already at the 5 number. How many strikes can we get? Comment down below how many strikes you think we can get. Comment down below if you're a fan of the BVL. Comment down below if you would like the signed bowling ball and if you're willing to donate to a great cause to try and win it. Five for 7. How about it? Six for 8. What a nasty hit. I'm hitting it as hard as I can at the bottom. And I'm throwing it pretty slow. I like the shape it's making down lane. The slower, the deeper I can move, the better off these balls look. Back-to-back messenger 8s. Who am I? 7 for 9, chance to go 8 for 10 on the sport shot? Come on now. Let's go 8 for 10. Give me one good one. I'm gonna go 2 back left. Smooth it out with the hand. I smoothed it out with the hand too much. Flat 7 like you've never seen. Yeah, that's my ball review on the BVL Bowlers to Veterans Link ball that partnered up with Johnny Petraglia's Signature Series Brunswick made special edition. There's a lot of good things I have to say about the BVL that I can't squeeze onto this ball review. But if you guys want to help out BVL and you guys want to get a chance to win the BVL TOC 2025 signature ball, I'm going to donate all the proceeds, all the money that we get from it, and give it straight to BVL to hopefully create some more cool experience for the veterans of our community. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you sticking all the way along to the end. All the details to the raffle down below in the giveaway. We're donating as much money as we possibly can. So help us raise. Every penny counts. You never know. You never know who it'll impact or what good you can do in the community. And it's not too much, just a $10 donation to the raffle, and you might get a chance to win a cool ball. Regardless, do something really cool for the veteran community. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching my BVL special edition bowling ball review. And until the next one, peace.